What's up, guys? Rasmus here. I just want to make a quick video about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is something that gone viral last few weeks, or at least I came across it a few weeks ago, and it seems like it's really growing really fast. So I've been playing around with it for a few days now, and I'm just astounded what it can do. It's crazy. So I just want to make this video as a sort of warning almost, but like I just want to bring up the conversation to talk about this because I think it's going to be a huge issue going forward. Um, the amount of jobs are going to be replaced because of this ChatGPT and similar projects are just crazy. Of course, there are going to come some opportunities. Business leaders, entrepreneurs, are going to be able to create content and speed. It's going to just go faster and faster, and it's going to be cheaper and stuff like that. So if you're creative and driven, you might be able to create some cool businesses together with ChatGPT and other AI tools. But for the just normal employee, that maybe the content producer, the blog writer, the translator, the web programmer, the script writer, yeah, those positions might be fully or at least partially replaced within just a few months. And I'm going to show you just how that's going to happen in a few minutes. And I've always been like sort of market kind of guy. Everyone should make their own income, fend for themselves, and stuff like that. But I've been thinking the last few days of the concept of universal basic income. And if you're not familiar with that concept, it's a sort of a welfare concept where the state provides everyone a basic income to survive. And there's a bunch of different proponents for this, especially in the AI space, actually. Like the thought leaders around AI. They probably realized a few years ago that this AI stuff is going to replace most of our jobs, and it's going to happen very, very fast. And that's sort of the point I think we are coming close to now. So this chat GPT going to replace a bunch of jobs on a global scale in a short period of time. So I'm starting to change my mind a little bit about the universal basic income. I have no idea how that would look like, and on a global scale, and on economic sort of macroeconomic picture, like how's that even gonna work? I have no idea really, but yeah, the amount of people that are gonna lose their jobs on a short time scale might be quite brutal for the world. So I'm just wondering what's gonna happen. Anyway, enough of me just talking. Let's get into the Chat GPT tool. All right, cool. Ciao. Um, go to chat.openai.com or just type in chat GPT on Google and you will get there. Create an account, and this will be the interface that you will land on. So here's a few examples what you can do, some limitations. So I've been working in B2B sales most of my life, perfected my sales pitch, kind of useless now it feels like. Let's just see if it can write me a sales script for B2B code. And as you see here, this is a quite interesting email. And comparing to my own written emails that I've been learning to perfect over the last few years, it looks very much the same, right? It's very similar setup of the email. All right, and let's see if can do something else. So as you can see here, in just a few minutes, it has created a cold email, a structure for cold email in English, and then translated to Swedish and Norwegian, right? So it's not perfect translations, but there's minor adjustments, and you can get it done. And it's way better translations than Google. So just in this sort of few minutes, it has taken sort of the job of sort of a sales, a part of a job, a sales manager that has this understanding of how to structure an email pitch. It is also taking a job from English to Swedish translator and English to Norwegian translator. All right, so let's see if we can do something else. All right, so here you can see it's very interesting, right? So I could write me a script in JavaScript for a form containing a name, phone number, email, and a random question. So first it writes it in JavaScript, and it comes up with a question about the favorite color. And then if you can write it in HTML, which is another programming language, and it writes it in HTML, and then also make some suggestions on further use or how, instructions. Third example, one of my biggest hobbies are trail running, and I'm currently on the verge of creating a trail running course. So let's see if ChatGPT can help me to create a curriculum for a trail running course. All right, so you see here a 6-week trail running course. Introduction to trail running, 4 points. Building endurance, hill training, navigation and trail skills, trail racing, and advanced trail running techniques. And coming from someone that have done this for a few years now, I'm quite would say experienced in this sport, and can verify that these skills are relevant, and the curriculum is very relevant for a real trail running course. So just another example how this ChatGPT will be able to help us think and also replace some of our jobs. So yeah, that's that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think ChatGPT will replace a lot of jobs, or am I just imagining stuff? Yeah, let me know in the comment section, and hope to see you in another video.